Well, we have continuing coverage for you tonight. The judge who handed down Richardson's sentence had some stern words for her regarding her choices. 2 News reporter Aaliyah Williamson talked to a legal expert to find out how this sentence compares to other cases.
Brooke, Skylar Richardson will not see any jail time unless she violates the terms of her 3-year probation. A law expert is saying the judge followed the sentencing guidelines for a case like this.
But I think that your choices before birth, during birth, and after show a grotesque disregard for life.
Warren County Judge Oda delivering harsh comments to Skylar Richardson before announcing her sentencing Friday.
I know in my heart that if you would have made different decisions in this case, Annabelle would be here today.
Richardson was sentenced to 3 years of probation instead of 6 months in prison. She will also pay support costs instead of a fine.
I know there's some people out there who feel that she got off easy, but they have to keep in mind that the judge is limited, number one, by the offense that she was found guilty of in terms of sentencing, as well as the specific facts of the case, as well as her background.
University of Dayton law professor Tom Hagel says Richardson's age, the fact that she doesn't have a criminal record, and the fact that she was only found guilty of the least serious felony could have contributed to the judge's decision.
She's still got to live with herself, and she, quite frankly, from what I understand of the case, may be the only one who knows what happened, and she's going to have to carry that the rest of her life.
The judge also ordered that the remains of the baby be given to the Richardson family for a proper burial on the condition that the baby's paternal family also have access to the remains to pay their respects. Aaliyah Williamson, 2 News, working for you.